Look at the map right now. Muslims are bleeding in Gaza, Sudan, and even Muslims clashing with Muslims, like Afghanistan-Pakistan, Qatar versus others, Iran versus others, but we react in different directions. That's not only a right or wrong problem, that's a unity problem. Division isn't different opinions. Differences are normal. You will never remove differences from any ummah. You can't even remove them between blood brothers. That's human nature. Division is when an issue becomes a wedge. Not, we see it differently, but, I can't stand you now. And the bigger mission gets forgotten. So why does this keep happening? I see 4 root causes. First, identity fractures. We stopped speaking as believers and started speaking as flags. Tribe, ethnicity, nation, sect, anything above Islam. So when a crisis hits, we don't ask, what helps the Ummah? We ask, what makes my side look right? Second, the information war. We are being fed different truths, not just different opinions, different realities. 2 people can watch the same event and come out with opposite certainty. Third, ego. We prefer being right over being effective. We'd rather win an argument online than protect unity. We chase victory in debates while losing the bigger battle. Fourth, low EQ culture. Muslims can be sincere but emotionally immature. Quick anger, quick labeling, public shaming. But you can be technically correct and still be spiritually toxic. Now here's the hard line. Unity is not everyone agrees. Unity is we disagree without breaking brotherhood and without destroying our common goals. So what do? The fix has 3 levels. Level 1, self-discipline. Control rage. Verify before sharing. Stop feeding your heart outrage every day, because outrage feels like action, but it's just addiction. Level 2, social. No public humiliation culture. No sect or name-calling. Talk like you'll answer Allah for your tongue, because you will. Level 3, strategic. Build strength. Real unity needs real power, and real power needs foundations. Education. Critical thinking, economy, skills, trade, supporting local Muslim businesses, leadership. Train community leaders, not internet debaters. People who can organize, mediate, build, and carry responsibility. And let me end with something practical you can do on your own. This week, pick one person you always argue with and rebuild the relationship without surrendering your principles. One message, one call, one coffee. Restore the bond, keep your values, drop the poison. Because if we can't unite in small circles, we can't unite on a world map.